Okay, folks, this is the finished product. The cheesecake has been overnight. We're gonna invert it, so I can put it up. You can leave it here like that and put the food on it, but I'd rather take it out and put it here. Inverted it. Now remember the fruit that we prepared? Been overnight in the refrigerator. It's not too thick, it's just right. It's perfect. I'm gonna throw it over this cheesecake. It's a berry mixture. I added strawberries to it also. It's a nice little cheesecake tort. Very nice. Very delicious. I have people coming over just because I told them I was making the cheesecake. And of course I'm frying some chicken. I want to show you how to make some nice fried chicken. I'm going to make videos. How to make some nice crispy fried chicken like Popeyes. All you have to do is add a little cornmeal to the flour and some cornstarch, and then make it nice and crispy. Doing this a little bit. Don't want it real. It's alright if the cheesecake has a little couple of drops around, and that's okay. So that's it, people. We made it. We put it together. It's a simple process, but you have to experiment a little bit. It might not come out good the first time, and you might have to try it again and again, but I guarantee you, this is better than Junior's Cheesecake from Brooklyn. World famous cheesecake from Brooklyn. I have people asking me to make it all the time on Christmas, and I don't like to bother because the ingredients are expensive and people don't want to pay. For one of these cheesecakes in the internet, we're going like for $40. So, not as good quality as this one. Have fun, folks.